Hey guys, just a quick video today. You can see here my wiper washer jets are not spraying any water. You can hear the motor running, however. And for the rear wiper, you can hear the wiper motor as well, and you can see the rear seems to work. So there's many reasons why your washer jets might not be working, but this is a bit of an unusual one that I think probably affects many Peugeots. The little T-piece that hooks up all the hoses under the bonnet here had basically deteriorated and fallen out. I did find it. That's it there. You can see the plastic bits where the hose connect are completely deteriorated. It's a very simple fix. Actually 3D printed a part that will do the job. Basically it's a 5mm hose T-piece connection. If you haven't got a 3D printer, you can probably pick one up from the local hardware store or maybe aquarium. Really quick, easy replacement. The corroded bits of plastic, or the brittle bits of plastic, you'll need to sort of scrape out of the hose before you put your new connector in, but that's pretty straightforward. So pull that back together. It was actually a bit hard to see that that's where the water was accumulating, because the heat shield soaks it up. So really easy fix. You can see there we're up and running again. Look, there's many reasons why your wiper motors might not work, but this was one, and it probably affects your Peugeot if it's getting a bit old. So I hope you learnt something. I hope there was some useful information there for you, and thanks for watching. We'll catch you next time.